Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Hope you are fine. Today the today the topic which we are going to do is about even and odd numbers, right? Even and odd number. We have here are the children. Two children, Usman Yusuf and Ikra. As the weather is very hot, and there are the ice cream bar, and we have 4 ice cream. And what we will have to do? क्या करना है हमें? We have to distribute, share with them equally, evenly, right? So we try to share bar evenly, so each one get the same amount, right? We have 2, if we this 2 we give Ikra, right? And these 2 we will give to Usman. There is something which is left? No. It's mean 2 and 2 equally distributed. If we distribute, if we share the equal amount to 2, then that is even number, right? How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is even number. As we can say, an even number is a number that can be divided into 2 groups. These are 2 groups, 1 and 2. 2 groups, that is even number, right? So 4 is even number. If we cut 1, right? How many we have? We have 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have to distribute between, share between Usman and Ikra evenly. Can we share? Let's see. Okay, we share this with Ikra, right? And this with Usman, right? Right? So 1 is left. 1 is left. Who should I share with? This is a problem. So these 3 cannot be shared evenly with both of them. So this 3 is even. Is it even? Because even number is a number that can be divided into the equal group. 3 can be divided into equal groups? No. So, and this is an odd number. What is an odd? An odd number that cannot be divided into 2 equal groups. That is odd, right? So this is odd. Then it is difficult to share with the 2 groups equally, right? Let's see, we will watch, or we will learn something with some presentations, some sheets. See, now again there are 2 children. Sanobar, Sarim. Sanobar and Sarim, right? And we have 4 cone ice cream to share evenly between Sarim and Sanobar. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can share 2 ice cream to Sanobar and 2 ice cream to Sarim equally. It means 4 is an even number. Sanobar and Sarim, we have 7 chocolate to share evenly between Sarim and Sanobar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we share? Can we share these 7 chocolate between them? If we share this, like 3 to Sanobar and 3 to Sarim. Oh, what's this? 1 is left. So we cannot share 7 chocolate equally to Sanobar and Sarim, because after giving 3 chocolate each, 1 chocolate will be left, right? So this is, it means 7 is an odd number. Now, let's learn more about this. Now, I have made this table and there are written some digit 10 and 11, and you will have to notice that either it is even number or odd number. It's like 10. Can we divide between 2 equally? 5. 5 means we can, yes, we can divide, we can share evenly between 2. So this is even, that's we show with the sign of cross. Now 11, can we share equally? 11, 5 and 5. But wow, what's this? 1 is left. So it's mean we cannot divide 11 equally between 2. So this is an odd, and we will mention here over here, right? Now 21, what do you say? Is it an even number or odd number? 21, 10 we can give one group and 10 to another group. Again, 1 will be left. So it is an odd number. Now 16. 16. So we can give one group to 8 and another group to 8. So it means it is also even number. Now another. Now I will explain you, and we will do somehow and you will complete rest of the sheet. There are some counting written, and we will see that which digit is even and which is odd, right? 1, 11, 21, 31, 40. On the top there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? What do you say? 1. Can we divide 1 equally? No. So this is an odd number, right? And 2. Can we divide equally? 1 and 1. Yes, this is an even number. 3. Can we divide? Again, remember the chocolate ice cream bar? 3, we cannot divide 1 and 1, and 1 will be left. So we cannot divide equally. So 3 is an odd number. 4, 4, 4, 2 and 2. Yes, we can divide equally. Children, remember only one thing. Yes, it needs practice and understanding as well, but we can do in this way that if any digit has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it's mean it, if this digit come to any amount or any, right? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it's mean these are an even number. Or if 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 come, these number digit come into any amount, so it's mean these are an odd number. This is an odd number, right? So I will share this as I have told you, 1, 2, 3, 4. And rest of the work you will complete yourself. I will check, right? Now there is a colorful. This is home task, and there are colorful circle balls. You play with balls, very colorful, bright colors ball. And what you will do? You will copy this in your notebook. You will write. You will draw this ball as they have drawn in your notebook. Write the question. First, you will write question. Yes, you will write question, date, day, and then see, one is an example. First one is example with the pink color. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will you write in blanks? 8. Now, there are two options, even and odd. If 8 is even, so what you will do? Circle the even. If odd is 8 is odd, so you will circle the odd, right? 8, can you distribute 8 balls between 2? Yes, you can. 4 and 4. That is why it is even. And as I told you, if any digit, these digits come in any amount, so we have end of any amount, so we have these are even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So you will complete it. And if 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 come, so these are comes to any amount, end of any amount, so these are odd numbers, right? So you will complete this home task, right? So I hope you have understood. We have done it earlier. Means this topic, this is a kind of reinforcement, right? So we finish our class here. We finish our class here, but do not go anywhere, because for reinforcement there is a song for you in description box. I will give the link. You must watch it. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Take care.